This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click. Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Lenses. This video is on how to take screenshot on Linux. First method is using keyboard shortcut. To take a screenshot, just press function key and delete key simultaneously. The captured screenshots are saved in default pictures folder. You can use function plus delete key combination to take screenshot on any screen. And all the screenshots will be saved in default pictures folder. Second method is using the pre-installed screenshot app. For this, just click the application drawer, then scroll down a bit and click utilities. There you will find screenshot app, click on it. This app has all the required options you might be looking for. Customize as per your like and then click take screenshot. On the next screen, you can customize the file name and its location. We will keep as it is and click save. So this is all in this short tutorial. We hope you like it. Please do like and share this video, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe us so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. If you have anything to ask, please ask us in the comment section. This is Kunal signing off. Thanks for watching.